All right, here we go. Here's another analysis video for the SPY, spiders. I choose the SPY because it mimics the overall market. Um, these levels that you see that I have drawn off are the levels that I am mostly focused on. So let's just get right into it. This video is going to be fairly short. Um, right now in the post market, we have 3 minutes left of that. The SPY is currently trading around 316.54. Well, that was the low. It's at 316.70 now. But anyhow, you'll see that I have this level marked off here. That's 313.84. And last week's video, I rounded it up to 314, but the level was 313.84, 314. And I'm also watching this area here, 323. That 323 area. As you can see, the market is actually trading in that range. You see here, 1, 2, 3 days, right? And then the fourth day, this was the red day. It's coming down, and I'm expecting a bounce. Well, one of two things can happen. Let's just keep this in mind. One or two things can happen, right? Because markets go up, down, and sideways. So I'm expecting one or two things to happen. All right. This green line that I have drawn out, for me, the way I do my analysis is, this is buyers, right? That's why they stepped up before. So we'll see if they're going to step up again and see if we get a bounce, and if it stays in this range, right? And if it stays in this range and it trades sideways like this, it's what's known as a consolidation. The market is just moving sideways, not doing much. It's just trading in the range. However, what I'm noticing here, and I'm sure that we can all see, is this gap. We have a saying where we say gaps usually get filled. So, you know, we never know. Like, the market could fill its gap and then continue to go up, right? That's one possible way we can look at what the market can possibly do. We could see that it, fills that gap and it continues higher. But what do we have to get through? We have to get past some overhead supply, right? And there may be some supply around this area, around that trend line area, which is roughly around I don't know, maybe like 330 or so. But right now we still have to make it over 323.35, and then see how we respond to like these 330 area, 330, 331 area. And if we get past that, possibly we could move higher and put in a new high. We don't predict exact, future prices. We don't do that. We just work with the prices that we currently have and what the market is giving us, and that the market is trading around. That's how I came up with these levels. And before I end this video, I just want to show you guys where the market is currently trading at and why I have this level marked off. I had it marked off already, and as you can see, it's respected my analysis, and that's what I like to see. It lets me know that the analysis was not too far off. So yeah, and actually the market just hit 316 and bounced, end of post market. But yeah, so let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna come here and zoom in, right? See there, the market actually hit the 316 area and bounced, and I wouldn't be surprised if it just trades in this range for a little bit. However, if it does break down, we could see some lower lows compared to what we've seen in the last couple of days. Because let's see here, about, was it the 5 days ago, the market was trading around 308. That was the low for about 5 days ago. about 5 days ago, the low was 308. So I wouldn't be surprised if we break down from 314 that we won't go retest that low of 308 on a SPY. So let's just keep that in mind as well, guys.